Hi, this is John from Diffblue. Today we're going to be talking about how our Diffblue Lab initiative, Diffblue Repair, supports developers in delivering high-quality code. Refactoring and debugging code can be drudgery. Diffblue Repair is a new AI-based tool that acts like a virtual code assistant, offering automatic suggestions to improve your code. Our tool automatically repairs, modernizes and simplifies your code. It proposes verified code changes to developers in IDEs such as Eclipse or at the review stage in platforms like GitLab. The following video shows an example of suggested improvements to a GitLab merge request. We start by creating a regular merge request on GitLab from a developer's feature branch. The branch contains two independent commits. The changes in the first one update existing functionality, and the latter adds an entirely new feature. Once the merge request is created, we can inspect these changes in detail. The first commit adapts a fictional binary message format. The original control character 127 is replaced by 255 in all test messages. The second commit adds implementations to two existing method stubs. The first one is a string length helper. The second one locates terminator characters in messages. While we were looking at these changes, our Diffblue engine analyzed the merge request in the background and automatically generated suggested improvements. There is a link to an automatically generated merge request in the discussion section here. This merge request is targeted at our feature branch. Looking at the proposed changes, we notice that the first suggestion is in a file that our original changes didn't touch. Our original commit changed the control character in one file, but we forgot to update it in a corresponding module, which led to test failures. Our Diffblue AI has detected this and suggested to also update the missed module. The second set of changes are two local improvements. In the second method, our AI engine detected that we are just searching for an element in an array and suggested to replace our code by a modern Java 8 stream one-liner. However, the first change is a bit more curious. Our AI assistant says that this method will throw a null pointer exception if XYZ is null, and suggested that we make this contract explicit using the objects class introduced in Java 1.7. Since we put explicit null checks into our implementation, this suggestion is unexpected. At closer inspection, we notice a copy-paste error. Our code is testing the wrong variable. Instead of accepting the AI's suggestion in this case, we use GitLab's edit feature to fix this error. Once we have inspected all suggested changes, we can then merge them into our original feature branch. Our feature branch is now ready for review by a human. Before the actual developer review took place, our AI discovered two bugs and suggested a more succinct implementation in a third case. Our AI engine saves developers time by catching bugs and giving style suggestions early in the review pipeline.